Good evening, everyone. This is Swati, and I'm going to discuss about the topic VAM fungi. In this session, we will be learning about introduction, types of mycorrhizae, mycorrhizal biofertilizer, applications of mycorrhizae, conclusion, and references according to VAM fungi. VAM is an abbreviation that stands for vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. And this is derived from Greek language, which is also known as fungus root. This is termed by scientist Frank in 1885. This mycorrhiza is a mutualistic association between fungal and plant roots. These VAM live inside mycorrhiza formed by aseptated Phycomycetes fungi. When it comes to introduction, symbiotic fungi are quite helpful for the plants to fixate on certain nutrients from the surroundings. One such strain is vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. It is commonly recognized as VAM. This type of fungus forms a mutually beneficial relationship with the bigger plants that can perform photosynthesis. Fossil records show mycorrhizae have been around for 460 million years. When it comes to types of mycorrhizae, there are two types. First one is endomycorrhizae and the second one is ectomycorrhizae. Endomycorrhizae is further classified into 5 types. 1. VAM fungi, which is also known as vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizae. Second one, orchidoid mycorrhizae. Third one, monotripoid mycorrhizae. Fourth one, ericoid mycorrhizae. And last, arbutoid mycorrhizae. Let us learn one after the other. Endomycorrhizae in VAM. Endomycorrhizae are present in more than 80% of plant families, including greenhouse and crop plants such as vegetables, flowers, grass, etc. The production of vesicles and arbuscules by the fungus and their penetration of the cortical cells are characteristics of endomycorrhizal relationships. As you can observe this picture, this is the cortex and you can see the chlamydospore, epidermis, arbuscule, endodermis, vesicle as well as root hair. And it is a mycorrhizal association in which the fungal hyphae are present on the root surface as the individual threads that may penetrate directly into root hair or epidermal cells into the cortical cells. Orchidoid mycorrhizae. Fungi belongs to Basidiomycotina and colonize only member of family Orchidaceae. This association is probably pseudomycorrhizal but play an important role in establishment of orchid seedlings. When it comes to ericoid mycorrhizae, fungal members are usually Basidiomycetes and Ascomycotina. This is found in the roots of plants belonging to the order Ericales. Rootlets are covered by a loosely woven mesh of dark brown septate from which branches penetrate into the cortical cells. Mycorrhiza as biofertilizer. Arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi are obligate root biotrophs that exchange mutually beneficial effects with 80% of plant families. Since they provide the host water, nutrients, and protection from pathogens in return for photosynthetic products, they are regarded as natural biofertilizers. These mycorrhizal biofertilizers are very useful in organic farming as well as normal commercial farming. Uses of arbuscular mycorrhiza. First one is phytoremediation. This is the prime benefit of the symbiotic process of this fungus and the phenomenon of fixating essential elements to the land that can be depicted as VAM biofertilizer. And this fertilizer can be used to enhance the fertility of the abundant or barren lands that can be made as cultivation land again. Second one is tillage. Another good use of vesicular fungus is to reduce the requirement of tilling the lands. Due to this excess tillage, the macromolecular structure of the soil is disrupted, resulting in the loss of phosphorus level to a considerable extent. Hence, adding this VAM fungus for phytoremediation, the tillage requirements reduce the integrity of the soil is retained for a longer period. Apart from these two, there are other use of arbuscular mycorrhiza, that is, it can be used as phosphorus fertilizer and also warding of root diseases. Benefits of mycorrhizae. Increased uptake of nutrients. Hyphae explore the soil for nutrients, increase surface area for nutrient absorption, transport them back to the plant. And also there will be reduction of irrigation requirements, enhanced water and nutrient uptake, reduction need for fertilizer, increased drought resistance, increased pathogen resistance, increased plant health and stress tolerance, and also higher transplanting success. Conclusion. Mycorrhizae play an important role in agriculture and forestry. In spite of the differences in structure, both the types help in uptake of nutrients and protect from plant pathogens. Ectomycorrhizae have mostly macroscopic fruit bodies and more associated with forest ecosystem. Till now, most of the endomycorrhizae studied are only microscopically visible and associated with cultural crops like tea and maize. These are the references. Thank you, sir, for providing an opportunity to speak about VAM mycorrhizae.